Hey everyone, I'm gonna give you 3 tips for your next new car purchase that's gonna make dealerships hate you, but it's gonna save you thousands of dollars and it's gonna make your car look so much better. All right, tip number 1, don't let the dealership wash your car. Why is that? Because dealerships wash their car with the cheapest rags, with the cheapest products, and they're gonna swirl your vehicle. Tip number 2 is thoroughly inspect your vehicle before you leave the lot. Once you leave the lot, once you sign the documents, it's too late. So they have a document at the dealership called a WEO, and that means we, the dealer, owe you, the client, whatever's on this document. And that usually comes up during the vehicle inspection prior to signing the paperwork. And look over your vehicle, look for damage, look for dents, look for dings, look for scratched paint, look for swirled paint that they may have taken the vehicle through an automatic car wash or did a really poor job washing it on the lot. And you may be able to use that as leverage prior to signing so that you can make them reduce the price of the vehicle to pay for the things that they've damaged. All right guys, tip number 3, do not accept the dealer installed protection packages. It's a total ripoff. One of the things that they might do is offer you clear bra across the hood. It's usually the lowest quality material and it's not gonna last and it's not gonna protect your bumper. Probably the number 1 thing that dealers force people to buy is their ceramic coatings. I would be surprised if these are even ceramic coatings at all because they typically don't even last a few months if they even show any signs of being coated in the first place. The last thing they might try to offer you is the dent warranty. Don't do it. Listen, dealerships are taking advantage of their clients. They're forcing people to buy these multi-$1,000 protection packages and they're convincing them to do it because it's the car they want and it only adds a couple dollars to your monthly payment. But ultimately, you're paying thousands of dollars for a service that probably isn't gonna work. It's not gonna protect your car, it's not gonna last long, and they're gonna deny all the warranty claims when you submit it because it stops working. So don't let them take advantage of you. Listen to everything I told you and take that with you to the next new car purchase you make.